Hey, it's me, Gareth, from Port Monkeys. And I'm here with Janet today in Honningsvag, Norway. So we are up almost to the very top of Europe. 71 degrees north. Okay? And this is the Honningsvag church. And it was not open, so we didn't go in. I think that's a school. We're going to just take a little buzz through town, back to the ship. Let you enjoy it. It's a nice little town here. And it's like 50 degrees, so we're bundled up, yes. And they've got little shovels on their roof. I wonder why. Yeah, we walked about 4.5 miles through town. And it's probably a half a mile back to the ship. We're going to walk down the main drag in Honningsvag. Yeah. Weak. Hello?
Hello.
This is the flag of Norway, this banner. Oh, you know what? It's not, because it's just got one stripe instead of a cross. Skate park. Skate or die. Telephone booth that's been turned into a library. You see those in a lot of towns now. Cobblestone sidewalks and blue doors. See? Books. Subaru. An old one. Check the time here. Place to put your Hunderbox. I don't speak Norwegian, so I'm not sure what a Hunderbach is. I'm not even sure what a clubbin is, or a turloid. Must be a trail. We were just up on top of that hill there. We walked part way up that hill, but only part way. You can see that in our video of walking in Honningsvag, right? Hello? They're open, only crew welcome. Oh, Seaman's Mission is open, only crew welcome. Cool. Baptist Kirk. Kirk is church. Just so you know. Janet's saying something.
Free Wi-Fi, coffee, and cookies for the crew.
Should we go down there? Good. Whoop, watch out, car coming. We're going to take you down along the water here. Hey, he was fishing. Apparently he didn't catch anything though. Of course, there's the Sky Princess, and that's the King Harold Hurtigruten cruises. King Harold. A lot of fishing boats. A lot of fishermen, I think. I wonder if they're welcome. All through town, there's this kind of art. You see, that's made with like Crocs and shoe soles and sandals and, well, we call them zoris, but they call them thongs. And a restaurant, pub, more fishing boats. Little tiny one.
It's new to me.
That's the flag of Norway right there. Two little ones, right? I hear chickens. The water is very clear and it's got little guppies in it, little fish. I haven't seen any big fish in there. Private. Garajji Icky Parker. Nice wood boardwalk here. 2x6s it looks like, maybe 2x8s. Solid though. Now on the street above us, there's, stores. There's a store like a 7-Eleven. It's called the Extra Store. We went and bought some candy. I don't know if I can get through this way, so I'm going to go back out that way. There's a lot of gift shops, souvenir shops. They're on the next road up. I wanted to come down this road because it was near the water, but now it's not. Now it's an alleyway. Potholes. Be careful. There's the ship. If I can walk up here, oh, somebody's left a message there. To the next, nope, not going up there. Dry dock. Well, I guess we can get back to the water now. Fuchs. Did you see the one on this side?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. Anyway, there's the King Herald. Kong Herald. And boat under repair. Oh, it's got holes in it. There's a hole in the boat. This might be tricky. Oh, smart. Another restaurant, or bar. It actually says bar and restaurant. Mario's Pizza and Grill. But not Super Mario, just Mario. Water closet. Toilet. They probably charge, hey, a Tesla. It's clean. Look at that. Shiny. But they take credit cards. Yeah, locked. Oh, woman. Man. Nope. $1.50. Wow. In the last town they were only $1. Anyway, there's a way up. Let's see. Nordcap, Lindbank, this is the bank, Christmas house, Vinmonopolet, Mixed Moat. We're almost back to the ship, believe it or not. There is not our ship. Another like a bakery restaurant. Honey Bakes. Honey Bakes. Maybe. So clothes stores, souvenir stores, artwork. This is the museum. Musette. Fish hook? Maybe you're interested in museums. we're going to end our story here. So from Honningsvag, Norway, up at the top of the world, it's Gareth
And Janet. And we'll see you in the next part.
Bye.
Bye.
Came around the bend there. Thought I'd add a little bit more here because this dog is here. And the ship is here. And the trolls are here. So St. Bernard, trolls, and a big troll. Everybody getting their picture taken with the trolls. So we're going to go ahead and get back on the ship now. And say goodbye to Honningsvag.